I am Kadir from UpCoach. I am a software developer, and today I want to be host in today's call. So our topic is developer portal, and I want to introduce our developer portal application system, blog system. So this call will be maybe for developers, actually, because I want to introduce our technical things for building custom apps. And maybe after that call, you can share this recording URL to your developers, or we can meet some experts to develop your custom applications. And before that, do you have any questions or messages for me or our team? Yeah, let's start.
Like in general, like a general question, or?
Yeah, actually, maybe I cannot give an answer for general questions or features, because this calls for especially the custom blocks. So
Okay.
maybe you can write your question on chat. I want to share on my team, or maybe I can give an answer. Then if you want to share your question, maybe I can give an answer, or if I don't have any answer, I can share with my team, and I can note it for the last call.
Okay. I mean, it's probably doable. I just don't know. So I know UpCoach is not a website, but if we have a website, is there a way to create a link or something on our website so that people can log into UpCoach?
You're right. Yeah, we just discussed about this topic. Actually, we want to prepare a document for using some landing page tools, but I don't want to give and promise about this, but we are planning, and maybe we can share some no-code tools. With these tools, you can prepare your landing page and connect with UpCoach. Maybe in 2 weeks, I want to share a document about that. I noted again about this one. Thank you, Danny.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Let's share my screen. Let's prepare the Zoom things. Yes. Here is our developer portal. So we don't have any landing page now, just a login page and application page. So after this call, you can log in and register to a developer portal. It's now on closed beta, so you need an invitation code. And this invitation code is hello world. I will share this code on our chat, but you can use this code, and just you need a name, email, and password. After the registration part, you will see this empty page. So this page, with this page, you can manage your applications and your teams and your profiles. So these namings very different for now, but I want to explain in a minute. So basically, the application is the application. So what do you mean? Lifeline is the application. Wheel of Life is the application. So generally, your domain is an application, and each application has own blocks, like our blocks. For example, test block, course block, you know the blocks in our editor. So one application has multiple, can have multiple blocks. Let's start. I prepared a demo application for this call, is Mood Tracker, and we will publicly share this application in this call. Also, before that, we have team features, so you can make a team with developer, and each of one can see the same application. For example, we have UpCoach Labs team, and this team has some applications on our shared publicly, Wheel of Life, Lifeline, and Stripe Link portal. Also, Wiki application is in progress. So let's move my team, Kadir's team, and I want to create just another thing about the team settings. If you have a developer and you don't want to give a delayed ability to developers about the security or maybe just an idea, you can add as a member. So members cannot delete the applications, cannot delete the blocks, just read, write, and update them. So let's create an application. The system needs a name. It's Mood Tracker. It is Mood Tracker. And installation URL and webhook URL is required fields. So AppCoach needs the installation URL because members or coaches can install the application on their organizations. And AppCoach system will give the all information via these links. So, and this one. So this installation on or webhook URLs will be explained in our documentation system, so developers can easily integrate all things on your applications. After that, the system automatically generates app ID, shared URL, and secret URL. So we will use these informations on our application. I will share all details in this call. So let's create a block because applications needs a block in use in the AppCoach because AppCoach builds on the blocks. And for example, let's see our editor. This is my test program. It's named Mood Tracker, and we have lots of core blocks. Also, we have some custom app blocks like Wheel of Life chart or Lifeline chart. So each application needs own blocks. And my block's name is Tracker. So the connector URL is basically iframe URL. So you can share your applications URLs with connector URL. This will be used on the application, and I want to use this URL too. Yes, my block is ready. So I can share this application for each client or anyone to use AppCoach. And I can set lots of settings like description, keyword, help URL, and icon URL too. Let's move one-on-one. So let's click this link with share URL, and here, Mood Tracker is requesting permission to access KFK test organization. KFK is my nickname. So I can choose another organization here. And before that, I need to update my application with codes because each application has own app ID and signing secret. And by the way, we are sharing these codes and a starter package on our GitHub repository. So each developer can contact with us and we can share all examples. I updated the application ID, so signing secret. So it's ready. Again. Yes, it's done. Mood Tracker is our application. So let's delete test Mood Tracker. Yes, Mood Tracker is here. So I can update my application name. Let's see. I added live. Why? Oops. in integration page, I can see the update mood tracker line. So let's delete it. Okay, let's use this application on our program. So I am going to client view and let's use the editor. Here, my application is here, tracker. I can see the block name. Let's change the block name, tracker block, for example. And I'm refreshing the page. Boom, it's changed. Tracker block is here. So let's see the other configurations. I can add some description and keywords. So we will see the all details. Let's refresh. All details here, description. So developers can add their descriptions to blocks to improve the experience with this line. So you can track your members' mood. Let's refresh. And I can see the description. Also, if you need more detailed documentation, you can give an help URL. So I have an example documentation for this. My refresh page. So learn more. We will show this learn more link, and if I click this, I can see the custom page, and this is my application code, and it doesn't relate to the app coach, so I can make anything in my application because this is my code. So let's add more things. And boom, it's updated. So you can write any description, documentation, or details with help URL to help your coach. Another thing is icon URL. Let's see the icon URL. Now my blog doesn't have any icon, and I prepared an example icon. This icon like the SVG just smile icon, and I can give this URL. Let's see the update. Boom, it's here. Now, each developer can prepare their icons to use in blocks, and they can update any time in our developer portal. Also, my blog needs very short hairs, so I can use this one, but developers can set default height. So let's see this one. I want to set default height 300 pixels. So what is the problem? Yes, updated. So, but I changed this one. Let's delete it. It's here. I updated the default height. So let's blog settings and details. That's all about this topic. And I want to share more details on the application development. So let's see the mood tracker application. Mood tracker can allow to track your members' moods by daily. So members can select their mood, good, fair, or poor. I am selecting good, and it's selected. So I refresh the page, and it keeps automatically. If I don't want to change, if I want to change my mood, just I need to click another one. So poor is selected now. So the application is so basic because I just want to prepare an example, but next call, if you like the live development experience, or if you want to see more details on the technical parts, we can continue about the technical details and we can make a live coding. So I want to just show some examples about the development part. Let's see our application. Here is code. Let's update. And let's see this update on the line. So let's update. It's here. Now I want to show the current user's name here, because I'm a developer and I want to prepare more powerful application. So I need some data like a current username, email, ID, or more details. We sent the current user ID and their permission like user or coach to default request, but developers can need more details. So for this, we prepared an API, and developers can get more details with this API, like current user's name. And also we prepared some libraries to use this API easily. For example, this is our API, it's named client, and I can use this method, get program member info. So we need to give program ID and user ID. So this request will give more details. Let's use this code and refresh page. Boom. Hey Kadir, Furkan Kiraz, how do you feel today? So I can access the more details like program details, user details, or I can get all members in program. So I can switch the members as a coach for to see their moods. Also, as a developer, I can prepare a report page like for coaches. I can prepare a report page, includes all members' moods in one screen. So coaches can see easily their members' moods. Another thing, let's change the date. Here is date 10 August. And let's see the tomorrow. So here is new date 11, and doesn't selected anything because this is a new day, it changes daily, and I can select my mood is good. So here is the details, and this is our development code. So we give an example repository, some good package, and also a great API to use to developer build their application easily. Also, we have new documentation system in developer, developers.appcache.com/docs. So with this documentation is in progress, we are preparing lots of video and diagrams to understand our concepts and development process. But it's good enough to start using our portal, so your developers can read this documentation about more. It includes about more details, the concept, development process, also publish process. Also, we exploit the Upstart for Laravel package. We now prepared an example repositories. Example repositories also packaged in PHP Laravel, but we will prepare these packages for the other language, for example, JavaScript. and more developers can easily start to develop application in AppCoach with this package. So last one thing I want to show. After that, I want to get some questions or your feedback. And last thing is settings URL. So some applications need more settings or configurations like Wheel of Life. Wheel of Life, you can add more categories, you can manage their colors and settings. So as a developer, I need an option to prepare big settings page. So I can use this settings URL. With this settings URL, the AppCoach automatically shows settings option in integrations page. So now we have the settings options. Let's update again. I am removing the settings URL. And I am refreshing integration page. Boom, settings is gone. And again, scan. Now I can see the settings page. It's empty because I didn't add any details, but I can add lots of details here, lots of settings. So I can add some inputs like maybe about the mood tracker. I can give an options about the moods. Coaches can add their mood options like a very sad or very good, because I added just 3 mood, and some coaches can add maybe 5 mood, and with more details, with more description, with different titles. So this application can be better, or we can improve on next call if you want. And yeah, that's all on our developer portal. I just want to share last updates on developer portal, because we will start to onboard some developers, about some developers like third-party developers, not on the AppCoach team. So we will see the different names and faces on AppCoach community, because we are also preparing a new program for the developers, for the third-party developers. So we will give first party support to him, to them develop their applications. If they need any question, we will give more effort to answer these questions, because we want to help them to develop their applications for coaches, because we have lots of questions, and each coaches actually might have own custom features. So coaches can hire a developer and can build their application on AppCoach, and maybe they can share also their application with the other AppCoach coaches in our portal. So we will promote this application also. That's all on my end, and in today's agenda. So do you have any questions or feedback? Or
Just how awesome that is. You know, I'm not on the technical side, but just to see how that can be developed, and that you're opening the door for developers to come in so that we can have more coaching tools or anything like that. I think it's awesome. We appreciate it.
thank you, Danny. I hope our platform will be better the next months with developers.
It's better every month, so I'm sure it will be.
Thank you, Danny. So we have those updates up until now, and maybe we can meet on next call after 2 weeks. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. Have a great night. If you have any question or invitation, just ping me. And just one thing, I want to share these links on our chat. So maybe you can review Hello World, our invitation code to developer portal. So you can test the developer portal with these links, and you can read our documentation for easily understand our application. I hope you will love it. See you. Have a great day.